guys, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a try-on haul from all the stuff that I didn't need but that I bought on Cyber Monday. I went to Pretty Little Thing and Missguided. This is all online. I didn't go anywhere. So I want to show you guys what I got. So if you want to see, then just keep watching. These make me look so sleepy. And can we just appreciate I did my makeup for this and I don't think it's that bad. So here's an outfit. So I got this two-piece set. I rolled it up. It's from Missguided. It's pretty freaking bright. And the top isn't very full coverage if you are big-chested. If you have big boobs, this isn't really gonna work for you. It's pretty tight on me, as you can see, but I'm gonna still wear it though, so this isn't my favorite piece, but this will be cool for summertime, vacation, stuff like that, so I'm excited. So I did only get two things from Missguided, but the other one is going to be my New Year's dress, and as you guys can see, it's very form-fitting and then loose at the top. I'm probably gonna pair this with some nude heels, gold accessories, because it is New Year's. And I'm also visualizing like a top knot or like a top ponytail or something, but I don't know. Now on to Pretty Little Thing, where I spent most of my money. It's like Christmas, even though I'm Jewish. So I got these leggings. They're just, you know, gray leggings. I didn't have any and I wanted some. They're pretty high-waisted, so I thought that they would be nice. It keeps my tummy in. So as for the bathing suit I got from Pretty Little Thing, it is this metallic gunmetal color texture thing, and it's almost like a sports bra type, so that's pretty fun. However, we need to talk about the bottoms. They're not super, they don't have a lot of coverage, and I was planning on wearing this during a family vacation, and I don't know if I can do that anymore. So we'll see about that, but they are really fun. So maybe if I were like, I think I'm just gonna save these for when I'm with my friends at the beach. I don't know. But if I had to say one thing, I like that the bottoms are high-waisted, so. Is this my size? I did not order this size. And then I went ahead and got the same shirt in 3 colors. I got white, this sort of like burnt orange reddish color, and then a nude color. I don't know what I was thinking with this nude color, but I'm hoping that when I'm a lot tanner in the summer that this will look good on me. But as for now, it looks like kind of like a bodysuit. And then the white and red are just gonna be really nice to pair with like jeans, everything like that. The red will be good for game days next semester for basketball games, because we're a basketball school now. And then the white just goes with everything. And the next item I'm going to show you. So the next item I got is this khaki skirt. I'm so excited about this. This isn't something I would normally purchase. I don't know why. It's just definitely not anything I would like see at the store and like just be like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. So I don't know, I'm just really excited to wear this. I think it'll look really good with white, black, and I think this will be a staple part of my wardrobe this summer and spring. So yeah. And then the last item I got are these satin green sage joggers. They are so pretty. Do you see that? I can't myself. I feel like these would look really good with a chunky sneaker, but honestly, what doesn't? So I think this is what I'm honestly most excited about, that like I will be wearing, because it would have been the bathing suit, but you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe below. Leave me video requests or anything. I really don't care. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!